Dumbbell weight workouts. 4 rounds, 4 exercises. First exercise, jumping squats. Second exercise, dumbbell forward lunge. Third exercise, single leg deadlift. Fourth exercise, glute bridges. Exercise 1, jumping squats. The goal of today's workout is to elevate your heart rate. For the jumping squat, it's very simple. You add a jump at the top of your squat. Tip 1. When you're landing on jump squat, you want to make sure that you're landing softly onto the ground. So in order to embrace the impact you're going to receive from the ground, you want to take the squatting position immediately when you touch the ground. So like this. See my squatting position? This helps me embrace the impact that I'm going to receive from coming back down. Dumbbell weight exercise 2. Dumbbell forward lunge. Dumbbell forward lunges. For this you need 2 dumbbells. You hold them like so. And then for the lunge position, you want to make sure that your dumbbells are close to your hips and not traveling any further from your hips. So keep it tight and close. You want to make sure that you have a straight back aligned with your hips and not a concave or convex back. So straight back, go down, come back up. If you do not have dumbbells at home, I would recommend the alternate exercise, which is going to be the lunge high knee. And once you come back up on the lunge, you take your knee and bring it up high. And then bring it back down and then do it again. Also, you want to make sure that your feet are pointed straight and you are looking forwards. Exercise 3. Single leg eccentric deadlift. For each leg, you will do 10 reps of deadlift. You need to work with balance and coordination to pull this movement together. Single leg eccentric deadlift. For this exercise, you'll be using one leg to balance you throughout this movement. Your right leg and you kick it out while you bend forwards with your left and touch the floor. Also make sure that this right leg never touches the floor and you're using your left leg to balance you throughout this entire workout. When you're doing this movement, you want to make sure your right leg kicks really out and is pointed back. This will help you find balance in this movement. If you have a hard time finding balance in this position, then use your alternating sides arm as a balance. you can see that even when I'm on a single leg, I'm maintaining my balance using my alternate leg. So it's important that we find balance during leg movement exercises. Exercise number 4, lying down glute bridges. You can do glute bridges with weight or without weight. For the without weight alternate version, I would recommend externally rotating your legs to further contract your glute muscles. Dumbbell glute bridges. Put it below your stomach, above your groin, should be somewhere in your pubic bone area. Lay down flat on your back and then you push your hips into the air. You want to make sure that you're squeezing your glute muscle and also your hamstrings when you push your hip up. This exercise is to activate the glute muscles. So make sure that you're pushing on your hips. For alternate dumbbell glute bridges, you do glute bridges with external rotators.